Hello everyone and welcome back to my food channel Aasan Pakwan. Today I'm going to share with you an easy and simple recipe of chocolate brownies. So without any further delay, let's start. So viewers, in order to make our chocolate brownies, in a bowl I'm going to take melted butter, and after adding the melted butter I'm going to add sugar. So here I'm going to take a hand beater and lightly beat in the sugar and the butter. At this point you don't really have to worry about the sugar getting dissolved in the butter, because we're going to bake the batter in the oven in any case, and the sugar will dissolve eventually. Next I'm going to add eggs to the batter, and again lightly beat the eggs in the batter. Now here you can use an electric beater if you wish to, but right now I'm just beating all the ingredients with a hand beater. Next I'm going to add baking powder, and after adding the baking powder I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Next, I'm going to add here cocoa powder, and these are nearly all the ingredients before adding the flour. So I'm just going to again lightly beat all the ingredients together. And here at this point I will add the plain flour. Now make sure that your quantities are accurate in order for your brownies to rise properly. So here I'm going to fold in the flour into the batter. So once all the ingredients are mixed well, I'm adding here 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence, and if you're a nutty person you can add walnuts, otherwise you can omit this and add chocolate chips. So here I'm going to bake this on gas mark 4 in the oven. So once the batter is all mixed together, this will go in the oven on gas mark 4 and will be baked for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your brownies are ready, as you can see here. So next I'm going to cut the brownies into squares or small pieces. So like this I'm going to cut the brownies into squares to show you how moist they are from inside. And now your brownies are ready to be served. You can eat them as is or serve them with vanilla ice cream. So viewers, if you have liked my today's recipe, don't forget to like and hit the bell icon and you'll be able to see my upcoming recipes.